Hey, Mr. Play-doh Ed. I just picked up some groceries at the store to make you some delicious food. I hope you're hungry.
Oh yeah, I'm starving. What are you going to make me?
How about we start off with some cupcakes?
That sounds delicious. I can't wait.
Alright, let me start by grabbing this pink mixing bowl. Now let's add a couple of eggs. Next, we need to add some flour. Alright, now let's add a strawberry. Let's also add some grapes. Now we need to pour in some milk. Awesome! Now let's blend all the ingredients. Here we go. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Awesome! Here's our pink cupcake batter. Now let's cut a little piece off and throw it into the magic microwave.
Come on, let's make a treat together. What a wonderful smell!
Check it out! Here's our first cupcake. It's a pink colored one. Alright, let's make 2 more.
I love making healthy snacks. Yummy!
Awesome! Our second cupcake is a purple one. Time to make our last cupcake.
Come on, let's make a treat together. Oh, the snacks are ready.
Oh, check it out! This cupcake has rainbow sprinkles. Now let's put all 3 cupcakes on a tray. These cupcakes look delicious! Mr. Play-doh Ed's going to love them.
These cupcakes smell amazing. I can't wait to eat them.
Here comes the first one, Mr. Play-doh Ed.
Aww.
You ready for the second one?
Aww.
Here comes the last cupcake.
Aww. Wow, those are delicious.
Is there anything in particular that you want to eat right now?
Could I have some fruits and some toast?
Alright, let's start off by cooking the toast, and while we wait for that to finish, let's see what fruits we have. Here's the toaster. Now let's find the bread. Here it is. Okay, let's see what's inside this basket. Here's a banana. Say ah. Oh wait, let me cut this in half for you.
Aww.
Here's the second half.
Aww. More fruit, please.
Let's see what else is in here. Nice! Here's a green apple. Here's the first half. Aww. And here's the second half. Aww. Let's keep searching. Awesome! Here's a strawberry. Cut this in half. Here's the first piece. Aww. Okay, here comes the second piece. Aww.
Yummy! Those fruits taste amazing. Is the toast ready yet?
Let's check on it. Yep, right on time. Careful, it's pretty hot.
Aww. I'm almost full. Is there anything else that you bought for me to eat?
Oh yeah, I could also make you some cookies.
Cookies sound delicious. I can't wait.
You got it. Use the mixing bowl again. Grab a couple eggs. Now let's pour in some flour. Pour in some milk. And last but not least, sugar. Now let's mix all the ingredients. Perfect! Here's our cookie dough. Now let's roll out the cookie dough. And let's make a Minnie Mouse shaped cookie. Awesome! Now let's throw this into the magic microwave.
I sure am hungry. Time to enjoy our treats.
Check it out! We got 2 Minnie Mouse sugar cookies. Here you go, Mr. Play-doh Ed.
Wow, they look amazing. Aww.
It smells really good. Here you go. You have room for one more?
Aww. Wow, the food was so good. Thank you for feeding me.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'll make you more food next time. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!